Alright, today's video. It was interesting. Lots of damage today. Sorry, my throat from the fiberglass. So I guess we'll start in here. Wiggle my way through. That's our pour from yesterday. Get a light. It's just about set. It's pretty good. It'll do the trick. Maybe tomorrow I can pull the forms off and whatnot. Pulled all the... They'd insulated all in behind here to cut down the sound and all that kind of stuff. They had some drywall. This was kind of scary. Didn't realize that. That 2x4 is like less than the width of my finger sitting on here, and it was helping aid the top landing of the staircase where you go up. So our water pipe is up there. I've got to chip the concrete out down to this chalk line right here. It's got to come down here because we need our fall on the pipe, which will then land at this second chalk line right here. Pipe's going to go in between here. And then run down the wall to the other side where the wood is, right about there. I've got some markings on the wall where the pipe's going to end up. But in doing so, we don't have enough room for our staircase and the pipe to run along the wall to give a decent opening. And the guys, when they did this, they just slaughtered the foundation wall. As you can see, it used to be here. They just hacked it, and then it's cut and it's broken everywhere. This used to be a doorway here, so once we pulled the wood, because they didn't put a sill plate on top, all the foundation had cracked, which is right there, which took quite a bit to get that down. We got those out of there, so that now I gotta take... My staircase needs to come to here for my width for my wall and everything to give a 32-inch staircase, which is about your standard. So this lasts a little bit. I'm just gonna remove this whole piece right here, and then we'll do like a double 4x4 supporting column right here and pick up the house. So in doing so, we wouldn't have any support whatsoever on the whole corner of the house here. So we've had to make these jack posts because they didn't have any, and they want a fair bit to rent them around here, so we just made up some jack posts, used the bottle jacks that I have with us, and the jack out of the Barbie car, it's barely doing the job, but it's doing it in the middle. So we got that supported. So tomorrow I got to pull this whole thing down, drill a few holes, break it all up, blah blah blah, pull it down, make a post, and then I will put a header across there and build that all back to strong again. Once that's done, then I can take the staircase out and then frame all this in all the way across to pick up the load from here, because there's nothing now holding any of that up. Just this, which is doing nothing because it's just supported over there. And they just got a few little nails. They don't even use ring nails. These are just old school, straight up, smooth nails. What else? We put these in here because I found that the stuff was starting to lean, so it's just helping kick it out. The other cross ones keeping them all from going wonky, whatnot. And we got them pretty level. If you see down the line, they're all pretty much dead on. And funny enough, the weight that I needed to take off of here to get this post out were completely level upstairs. So we'll just go a little higher, make our thing so it'll settle down, and hopefully we'll be good. But yes, this was a lot of slugging today, that's for sure. This was all insulated in here, which was nasty. As soon as I pulled the vapor barrier down, it just rained insulation everywhere. But our problem now, gotta squeeze through here, all the destruction and the crap. Our problem now is they did a really good job of building this wall. This was like almost 2.5 hours just to get this door frame that was here off, and what you see we've got done here, which isn't very much really. This stuff is on here really good. I'm using all the tools I got, and it's a lot of effort to rip this down. It's solid concrete thin set. They did a really good job. Chicken wired the whole wall. This is the only thing that's built good in the house, this piece right here, and it sucks because they need it all gone. So that's basically that. The biggest goal is to get rid of this head hitter right here. I've already hit my head on it twice right now. It's from that step to there, it's probably 4.5 feet. It's not very much. So the goal is going to be to as I said, is the stairs are going to come down here, probably 5 steps, a landing, turn 90, and then come down here, and then in we go. Yeah, that's about it. This is all the fiberglass. I'm going to save it all because I can use it on the exterior. This is all the crap before we had to pull it out. This is what's all come down out of there. What else? That's about it. Decent door. We had to make a table.